Hello guys, review Redmi 14C, this version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory in the green color device with large 688 display, 50 megapixels AI dual cam, and this international version with Xiaomi Hyper OS device and without adapter for charging. We have in complementation only Type-C cable. That's all. And device in the green color, looks pretty. Big camera block, double camera, on this side power button and warm buttons, power button with fingerprint scanner, upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port, and large display on the front. Okay. Turn on device. We have display 120 Hz, HD plus resolution, IPS display. About phone, Xiaomi Hyper OS version 1.0.4, Android 14. Okay, and open tests. Geekbench 6, MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra we have, and GPU Mali G52 MC2. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, GPU test results. Okay. Look AnTuTu benchmark results. Okay, medium results. And PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera, 50 megapixel main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.